tried to clean up as much as we can so far. And as you can see, the forks on the injector on your right side, the fork is broken. That actually holds up the injector evenly down. The other injector have them complete, but that one doesn't. So uneven pressure, doesn't seal properly, and the injectors leak. Supposed to be the whole piece of a fork, but it's not. So we got the fork out. You can see one is missing. But after digging around for a while, let me put the flashlight on. The fork is just here. Got a little piece here. I'm trying to pull it out. There it is. There it is. That's the other piece of the fork, which was missing. Now, we couldn't really access everything else around, but we're gonna block the injector hole once we pull that injector out, and we're gonna clean everything else around, hoover it out or blow it with the air, whatever we can. But let's see how lucky we are. I'm gonna use with one hand try to pull that injector out. Okay, it's going out.
2 hours later. One eternity later.
Yeah, we got it. There it is. Our leaky Black Death injector. And you couldn't even see the end of that injector hole. So it's very, very bad. We're gonna need to clean all that out, clean the seats, find the seal for that injector, and then put it all back in together. And here it is. That's our old retaining clamp. As you can see, it's been damaged. One side of the fork is damaged. And here is the new one, ready to install. We're in the process of cleaning that up. That one injector caused such a major damage all over the other 3 injectors, because there's a cover here, but they're not leaking. It's only one. And we're on the way to clean the injector seat now. We're gonna do the seats. Well, we're gonna put some grease on the top, so you don't want any shavings going down into the cylinder hole. And just clean her up and assemble everything back in together. Seats are done. We just need to blow the air out to pull out all the grease and bore scope the cylinders, and then we're ready to put everything back together. The customer is happy enough to leave it the way it is and not clean it more than what it is, so I'm just gonna go after that. Torque it down on 25 Newton meters. All torque down and ready. That's just brake cleaner, spray all over. The car's running perfect now.